Hello everyone, this is Reggie, the washer dryer repair nerd, aka A-Team Appliance, and I have here a Whirlpool washer, as many may know, and this one gave me quite a surprise, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I'm going to recap some things I've been over in some of my videos already. So reconditioning this dryer, and the high limit thermostat. Now this is the thermostat that's located here. It has no continuity, so for some of you newer beginners, put your voltmeter on continuity and you touch the probes to each metal piece, and you have if you don't hear a beep, then this has been triggered. So this isn't bad, this is doing its job. So if this is triggered, that means since it's located here, either the heating element got too hot, or the inside, the other side of this is the actual drum, or the drum got too hot, and this was triggered to prevent a fire. These are totally resettable. You just bang them on the ground, touch your probes with your voltmeter. If you don't hear a beep, bang it some more on the ground. You know, don't break it, but usually you just bang it, or some people tap it with a hammer. And until you hear a beep from your voltmeter, that means it's ready to go and it's reset. Second thing you do is you test this. I'll call it a heat regulator. Stuff has a lot of different names. It's called a thermostat too. I don't know, but I'll call it a heat regulator because it regulates the heat. It turns the heating element off and on as the dryer is in use to maintain a particular temperature. You can test it by easily putting a lighter on the fuse. Wait to hear it click. Put your voltmeter on each probe, on each end. You should not hear a beep after the click. After probably 30 seconds to 60 seconds, that metal will cool down from the lighter. You will hear a click, and it should beep. It should beep, and that means it works. So initially, it's going to beep. Put fire on it. Wait to hear a click. Put your probes here. No beep. Wait for it to cool down. You'll hear a click, and your voltmeter will beep. You may have to rewind it a few times. So anyway, the purpose of the video is, so if this was triggered, now that doesn't solve the mystery. That's just the beginning of it. So you figure out, why was this triggered? So usually it's this, but this was good. And so next thing you do is take off the air duct, and to my surprise, looky there. That is completely clogged up. So this is the air duct. This is what the fan is. And this piece goes here. So it sucks the air through here, comes here, goes out through here, and out through your vent outside. So this is clearly clogged. Wow, look at all that. Phone is kind of dying, so I can't really see the picture, so I hope this is good camera work. Yeah, look at that. By the way, it's different colors and everything. I bet you this person had one of those brushes. I got a video on that too. And the top of the air duct, this is where the lint screen goes on top of the dryer. And they probably put a brush down there. It pushed the lint all the way here and packed it down on the bottom. I bet you that's what happened, because it's different colors, so that's not from just one load. And that, or the lint screen will get so thick when you pull it out, it'll actually roll up in there. So anyway, that's something to look out for my reconditioners, for private owners that are just looking for do-it-yourselfers, that's looking to see what is going on, especially if this fuse, you think you keep replacing this fuse and it keeps triggering. That is just the symptom and not the actual sickness. Again, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep providing little nuggets for you guys as I'm repairing, reconditioning washers and dryers for flipping. This is Reggie, A-Team Appliance.